Good morning, everyone. So, it's like 11 o'clock a.m. It's the first time I'm eating today. For no particular reason, because I don't fast. But I'm eating my leftover food from dinner last night. I love eating dinner for breakfast. Like, I was going to leave out and go get some breakfast. And then I thought, like, you know what? Why? I'll just eat this. It's perfect. Yep. And, of course, I have my water. I did have coffee this morning. And I will be going to a coffee shop later on. So I'm gonna just bring, because I kind of want to relax and read. And I have 3 novellas from It's Amber D downloaded, so I want to read that. I want to start reading it because I unfortunately I haven't had the time, but more so than anything, it's hard for me to read on electronic. I'd rather have a book, and I made a mistake and I bought a digital I can't see. I bought digital copies instead of the actual hard copies. So I'm gonna read that. I'm gonna bring my DJI, and then I'm gonna carry my little bag, I think, as well, my little crossbody. Yep. Almost forgot. I'm going to wear these super old Emilio Pucci glasses. I haven't worn them in a while, but I actually love these glasses. So I'm gonna wear these, and yeah, let us go. This is the outfit of the day. I'm gonna put my slides on when I leave the house. I don't feel like putting my shoes on. But yeah, that's it. So I got this shirt from Target Black History Month probably 4 years ago, maybe. These are Zara, maybe 100 years ago. I don't know. Gucci, and my Emilio Pucci sunglasses from 2000 and maybe 15. I don't know. I keep myself. Like I tell you, I keep myself. If I'm gonna spend money on something, I'm gonna keep it. That's the reason why I spend money on it, so it can last me a lifetime. But yeah, this also 2000. How old is my daughter? 9. She's not 9. She's 16. I think 2009. So yeah, and it's like it's not the canvas. It's a coated canvas. I usually use this for like the pool and the beach, but yeah. And then All right, that's all. I'll show you my shoes when I leave out. It's just some slides because I want to be comfortable. Okay. And guess what? No perfume. No perfume today. I'm just not in the mood. I was having a headache for a couple of days, and sometimes perfume exasperates that. So I said no. I'm just leave the perfume alone for the day. Okay. Is it 20? I love cotton boards. I need to stop buying cotton boards. It's not necessary, but oops. So nice. Oh, I need these. I do need these. I'm gonna get these. Something. I remember when my girls used to love finding these at the little markets. I used to sit there and just play with them. It's so cool. These are only $5. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, it's so sad.
Did you see the? I looked. No, it's old. I'm not surprised. It was really fun.
find, like, if you were looking for something,
Yeah.
you could find it.
Oh, okay.
That kind of place.
Is it Judith Weaver?
They're closed downstairs.
Oh my gosh. I wonder how much that is. That's pretty. Oh, I want to see that. That's good. Look how cute. Oh my god. So cute. This is pretty. This. That's cool. Nice. Look at this. That little tiny bag would be cute as a little, if I was into charms, bag charms. I was actually getting into that book, so I'm gonna go to the park and finish reading the book. Yeah. Where's my car? Nah, I know what my car is today. It's beautiful outside. It is 82 degrees. I like the transitional weather, like from summer to fall, because it's still warm outside to just do a lot, you know, to just go out and be out. But it's not like sweltering heat and you're sweating, you can't walk. Although, go ahead. Although my pants are loose and they're just rising in the middle, like it's just driving me a little nuts. Hence why I'm trying to get my life together and, you know, get some muscle and tone these legs, because the way these thighs love on one another, they're always kissing. Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I gotta get better at strength training and getting some muscles. I don't know, I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna work it out. So like the summer's always bittersweet, because I'm just like, I love the holiday season that's coming up, but I also love the freedom of summer and it being a little bit more carefree, and you know, and the weather is beautiful, so you can just leave out and go wherever. Then when it starts getting cold, you gotta bundle up, and sometimes it's like too cold to be out too long. And I do love getting dressed. I love getting dressed in all seasons, to be honest with you, because I hear a lot of people say, oh, I can't wait for fall so I can really get dressed. But I like getting dressed in every season. I find something to wear in every season. I enjoy every season. My husband plays basketball on Sundays, so you know, while he's playing basketball, then I'll just go out and about and, you know, do what I want to do, which is what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna go sit in this park for a little bit and read, and yeah, enjoy the rest of my morning. Well, early afternoon, because I'm gonna go home and hang out with my family. Let me join you guys for a little bit, okay? Do you mind? Do you mind? Hope not. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I will sit somewhere else until you guys are gone, because y'all not about to mess with me. I'm gonna just pick another spot. I like that spot because I like that tree. But, okay. Just pick another spot. Chyna, just pick another spot. I'm gonna go for a walk before I leave because I need to walk. And I have these super comfortable slides on, so they're good. You know, sometimes you're like, dang, I could have went for a walk, but I don't got my sneakers. You can still walk, just don't walk super fast. All right, that was a nice little stroll. I'm gonna go home. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and hang out with my family. I was gonna say something, can't remember. If you know anything about me, you know that I am not going to keep a ponytail in my hair. I cannot. Like, I get a headache so easily, so quickly. And that's why my hair is always out or never done. Like, oh my God. I can't even function. I can't function. Like, sometimes I can deal, but me and ponytails, oh, I'm old. My hair is always. That's why 9 or 10 times you see my videos, my hair is out. It's not because I don't want to do my hair or I don't do my. It's just, even if I do it, I don't know. My head just can't handle a tight ponytail. So, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna go home now. I'm ready to be home. I am. And hang out with my family. My family. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I might come back tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Okay. Until tomorrow. So excited, my package came. And it's not even 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, so I probably need this. What do you do? I'm just trying to use Savage. What a tricky little box here. It's perforated, but it is not perforated. Okay. So it's from Vestiaire. Okay. And I've wanted this bag when it first came out. I wasn't I wasn't working on getting the bag. I was just like, oh, I like that bag. But anyway. I don't have this color bag at all, so it's perfect. And I wasn't even looking for this bag. I was looking for something else. And it just came. It's glorious. It's in, excellent condition. Oh, my goodness. Okay. I'm excited. This is the Celine Luggage Micro bag. Wow. It's in wonderful, wonderful condition. Wonderful. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my fall winter bag because you need a proper color in fall and winter. I don't care. I don't care. It's not only spring and summer. You rock color. You rock color all year round. I rock color all year round. And this bag, it's not no funky smell. Wow, let me show you close up. Look at that. Let me find better lighting. 1 second. So this is it in better lighting. This is the color. This color is actually gorgeous. Such great condition. And like I said, I wasn't even in the market. I wasn't looking for this bag. It just came up on me. It rolled up on me like, you better buy me. And I could not pass it up because I just couldn't. This is the perfect bag to do what's in my bag because it's so old school, and the what's in my bag videos are so old school. Maybe I'll do that. Yes. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I don't even care that I don't have the dust bag because I have like extra Louis Vuitton dust bags that are pretty large and it'll fit this, so that's fine. Yes, okay, I'm happy. By the by, wouldn't that little, if I were gonna put bag charms on this, the little Hermes tiny bag that was at that vintage store, that would be cute. I'm not doing it, but that would be cute. I might get my niece that little bag. Cause my new little niece, not my little baby niece. My new little baby niece. But no, then her mom gotta get a matching bag. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay. But yeah. Alright. I'm off to work. No, I'm not. Oh, it was a little breezy this morning, so I put on some pants, but I think I put some shorts on. Because we're still like transitioning into summer fall. But yeah, I'm gonna put on some shorts. But yeah, I like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my nails done with my girls, and I'll see you in a bit. Where's my jellyfish? That's my jellyfish. My daughter did these nails. This is my favorite one. It's pretty creative. I like that one. And now I'm going to get my pedicure, but I'm not allowed to get my manicure because she's not going to allow that. But my other daughter is getting her nails done, and my daughter that does nails, I'm not talking to her now. But I'm only getting a pedicure, so we good. Oh no. Big check, big check, big check. What you got on? I got a Gap shirt. I have some Levi's. I have some Birkenstocks on. I got my little wear it puzzle bag and some Tom Ford sunglasses. And yes. Period. Period.